Morning guys, morning xolweni man. Oko benginqabile umzimba umhlungu kusewinter, iweather ayikho right, kunzima. Kutshona le nale ingxaki zendoda zininzi, but anyway, I think now zihlile noko. Azipheli ingxaki, azipheli zendoda mos. Niyabona nalapha erufini kusasetyenzwa. So niyabona kwi-band rekhoyo all over. So umuntu usebenza okoko, kuphela imali, kuphela indoda. Yeah, but anyway, there's one thing manje endibawela mhlambi ke siyilande mhlambi i-unionist mhlambi ezino-advisor kuyo. We've got as shops sithi mabahambe mos abanye abantu aba ne, and yet sinawo abantu ke ngoku bane-permanent shops like for instance or Urban Life. Khona shop apha e-highway ekuthiwa ngu-Urban Life that is, I believe it's ill-treating abasebenzi. And with, I don't know, actually I don't want to talk about Urban Life, I want to talk about Department of Labor. Department of Labor is failing South Africans. Department of Labor is selling South Africans as slaves to the foreign companies. Department of Labor, instead of defending, instead of protecting companies, they are taking bribes. And why we're saying they are taking bribes? Because the companies, the foreigners that are working, or the Chinese and the other and other foreigners that are here, especially with Urban Life, they are proud to say we pay Department of Labor, we pay officials of labor. You understand? But for evidence, I've got something. But what I'm trying to say is, if we manage to get rid of human rights at this band, human rights was not doing human rights, was not doing us any work as South African. I think it's about time to get rid of CCMA plus Department of Labor. Or get rid of the staff Department of Labor, especially at Buffalo City. Department of Labor at Buffalo City, Department of Labor in Tanzania, guys, you're not doing, you're not doing us a favor. But you are employed to kwenza umsebenzi wenu and kaniwenzeni right. Leo baniyothengisela abantu ngemali ze-cold drink, knowing abantu they are not getting benefits zabo, but you selling your own people to the foreigner for ubufumane a cheap drink 300 rand, ufumane drink 2000 rand. It's not on, guys. And kudala, how many people are complaining about the Department of Labor and nothing? Official Department of Labor nationally, they act as if there's nothing against the guy. And guess what? That's what human rights was doing. I think something need to be yojongwa. Human rights, Department of Labor, officials zakhe, abasebenzi bakhe. You would say, it's ringi yafuneka esitratweni ulande kwi-traffic, but imole yaka Department of Labor, it's too much. Yes, the funny part was, Department of Labor, it's another stake eskarhulumente. You know what happened to the post office during COVID? When abantu babe befumana imali zabo wena kwafuneka bebhatale abantu phaya kwe-post office. And when abasebenzi base-post office uthumela into, you courier something overseas, xa ifika phaya ifika ingaphelelanga kuwendlini. They didn't know abatya umsebenzi wabo, because everyone started, or most of the companies started understanding about its post office was not reliable on parcels, and they moved away, and the business moved away. And yaya to i-COVID, people kwakuthiwa xa beyothatha imali zabo kuthiwa ayiphumanga imali, whereas ibe ikhona pha. and usayina yonke into, and the funny part was obusayina everything then bengona bakujongelayo. Abaqali bakujongele, babengaqali bakujongele, babeqala ukusayinisa yonke into then bengona bayajonga ukuthi ayiphumanga. Now uyazi njani xa iphumile engaphumanga? Wonke umuntu uyaziyo, understand, because ufumanisa uba sowusayinile uthathele loo word for bona, emveni koba bazithathele they got rich and they lost ii-jobs zabo in numbers, kwaluza imisebenzi nabantu bebengezotellers. And now post office want us to go and do i-post office bank. If babekwazi utya ilanti ezi-350 zabantu, do you think uzomtrusta lo mntu lo for uba angakwazi uyonilantikela uba nihambe niyolantikela? So the image of i-post office was dented by i-post office. I think it's the same thing that will happen to Department of Labor. Department of Labor, you need to get your house in order so that in future abantu babone ivalue ku Department of Labor. Currently, people, they don't get any value ku Department of Labor because of officials as corrupt, because of officials as zibizwe zihambe ziye esayitini, zifike esayitini zingaboni into wrong, zihambe ziye esayitini ziyohlala nelantika nabaqeshi zinikwe imali, and denting i-Department of Labor. I know for a fact, I know there are a lot of cases, and uzobona kwi-comments. I need you, if you had any unsatisfying encounter with the Department of Labor, could comment now up. Unsatisfying encounter with UCCMA, Department of Labor no CCMA are you failing South Africans? And as in the situ, you lose the confidence of the South Africans. And actually you are losing confidence of the South Africans. And xa besithi sisithi mabahambe kwelinye icala nina nivulelele icala ilandika kwelinye icala eyeninyoba kwelinye icala for uba all these people that were supposed to invest, they can come and invest without following ilandika proper standard salaries, proper labor rights zabasebenzi. Guys, you need to get your house in order. Guys, let's comment, and we'll see you in the comment. Nani yanibona mos namhlanje ndingumsebenzi, so ndiyasebenza if andinondijongela yabo kuyasetyenzwa. So of labor and the people or the NPOs that are, or the I don't know, man. I don't know what is happening. It's not actually Department of Labor yet, including the unions. Asekho unions ezimileyo. EFF was doing layer into with the labor desk. I don't know what happened to labor desk here at BCM, because I asked abantu, because there are a lot of cases abantu abafuna ulabor ngenelele and no one. And the EFF labor desk was answer during elaa xesha likaSibongile Alone. When Sibongile Alone was heading that department, he worked, and the EFF labor desk was respected. EFF, the labor desk need to pull up his socks, guys, and do something. I know niyayuzwa abantu niyabasebenzela and it's discouraging. Nibasebenzele emveni kokuba bayovotela abanye abantu. But unions, I don't know what people are paying now, because you no longer representing abasebenzi. I would say very few onozibiza xa kwingxaki uthi abasebenzi endaweni ethile banengxaki khaniyonceda. Very few. So Department of Labor, sibuyele back to wena. CCMA, you failing South Africans. That's my observation. That's what the information endinayo, unless you can correct me. See you in the comments, guys.